Before I invest even $1, I follow 5 rules. These rules are boring. They won't make you rich overnight, but they have saved me from expensive mistakes. Let me explain. Rule 1. I secure cash flow first. Before investing, I ask one simple question. If my income stops tomorrow, can I survive? Most Americans invest without answering this. In 2020, millions of people invested while credit cards were maxed, emergency savings were empty, jobs were uncertain. When the market dropped, they didn't sell because they wanted to. They sold because they had to pay bills. I never invest money that I may need soon. Before investing, I make sure rent or mortgage is covered, monthly expenses are safe, emergency fund exists. Investing without cash flow is not investing. It's stress with hope. Rule 2. Monthly payments must stay comfortable. I don't stretch my lifestyle for returns. Americans love monthly payments. Here's the problem. Monthly payments remove freedom. A couple buys a house with the maximum mortgage the bank approves. Rates go up. Expenses rise. One income changes. Now they can't invest. They can't take risks. They can't wait. I keep my payments boring and boringly affordable. If a payment forces me to chase returns, I don't take it, because investors who are desperate make bad decisions. Rule 3. I assume I will be wrong. This rule saves more money than any strategy. Before I invest, I ask, what if this goes wrong? Not, what if it doubles? What if I'm wrong? Someone invests heavily in a safe stock. Earnings disappoint. Stock drops 40%. They panic because they invested like they were certain. I invest like I'm uncertain. I size my investments so a mistake won't destroy me, a bad year won't change my lifestyle. Being wrong is normal. Being unprepared is expensive. Rule 4. I don't chase returns. High returns attract attention. Low risk builds wealth. Most people ask, what's the best investment right now? I ask, what's the worst mistake I can avoid? During market booms, people chase hot stocks, crypto hype, guarantee returns. During crashes, those same people disappear. I don't invest because something is popular. I invest because it fits my rules. Missing a big win is fine. Making a big mistake is not. Rule 5. I invest with a long-time horizon. Short-term thinking kills long-term wealth. Before I invest, I ask, can I hold this for years? If the answer is no, I don't invest. Someone invests money they need for a down payment next year. Market drops. Plans are ruined. Markets move. Life happens. Time is your biggest advantage, but only if you allow it. I invest money I won't need soon. That gives me patience, and patience beats prediction. These rules won't make headlines. They won't impress anyone at parties, but they work. Most people focus on returns. I focus on survival, because if you survive long enough, profits take care of themselves. Survive first. Profits come later.